When I was a CEO, I had an array of masculine sneezes that asserted dominance. You know, like the explosive shock the room into silence sneeze, the fails, or the draw them in sneeze, you know. And maybe I wouldn't sneeze because I'm in control. You could even use a sneeze to drive home a point. Like, I think the Cubs are going to win all this year. Come on! What do you think?
Tell me more.